Now, here's where Tesseract AI really shines, right? So this is basically like not only just a step-by-step automation consultant, but this will also give you different ideas, right? So I'm going to ask it, give me some ideas on how to, automate client outreach and how to, in a sense, follow up with them. Let's do the 9x9 method, which is a sales method. So if you guys don't know what 9x9 method basically is, it's basically like 3 emails, 3 texts, and 3 calls totaling. I mean, obviously you would do the email first, and then the call, and then the text, and then just so on and so forth. And usually, in most cases, if someone's interested, I mean, they would usually they would go through with it. So the 9x9 method isn't new. It's not really something that I made up. It's something that Dan Henry talks about a lot. And this is a method that you can use to, basically close sales. Now, of course, that's going to be dependent on your level of, selling and your experience with said product or said customer that you're going to be referring to. And then let's add a SMS sequence that will run cohesively with this method. That way it's fully automated, and all you have to do is basically just call the person and then just be notified when you should follow up with the person, right? And then send emails, oh yeah, email notification to my phone on when to reach out to said prospect. And then what this will actually allow you to do is not only save up a bunch of time, but it's also going to keep your, in a sense, mind clearer so that you're not getting consistently bombarded or distracted by random little things. Now, of course, depending on how you set up your automations, that's solely going to be dependent on your actual technical abilities. You can always outsource and delegate these automation sequences. You could literally find someone for like $50 on Fiverr, and they'll just build you this entire automation sequence out. And you just have to make sure that you use the exact same software you've previously, set up, and it'll just continue running on the back end. So all you have to do is just literally sit there, smile, and dial, and this takes care of everything. And then just hire them again when you come up with an idea that will make your work a little bit more smooth, and that way it's not bottlenecking your outreaching, your prospecting, or anything else that you're doing. Now, majority of the time, right, majority of the time, there are so many tools available nowadays to where you can literally get so much more done, right? So email scraping, there's already tools for that, like Apollo.ai. Prospecting tools, Apollo.ai. And of course, there's databases you can actually reach out to. There's different data sets and stuff like that that you can actually look into to where you can get more conclusive information on the people you're going to be reaching out to and selling to, right? If you're going after a completely different vertical or something like that, or you're marketing to people that are in a slightly different field, this will help you save a ton of time, right? And then, for example's sake, we're just going to click enter, and it's literally going to, set up. It's going to show you the exact step-by-step process, and it's already going to give you ideas. Let's see, give me, yeah, so you can literally grab this entire prompt that it spit you out and share it on the top right corner right here. You click share, and then you could actually share the chat or just copy and paste it in an email or something like that and send it directly to the person that's going to be building out this automation. And it's only going to cost you like what, $50 if you don't want to do it yourself, or just have someone in-house do it. And 90% of your work is already done. Like that's the power of automation. And this is just the beginning, right? This is a consultant tool. This will guide you through the steps, but you can actually ask it, give me more ideas, and then it just goes to work. There you go. Automation video creation using AI avatars, which is insane.